Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about conjunctions. The word and, but, and, or join two or more words or sentences. So the joining words are called conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins two words, two groups of words, or two sentences. For example, Aladdin rubbed the lamp, a genie came out. Aladdin rubbed the lamp and a genie came out. So these two sentences were joined by a word and, which is a conjunction. Now there are some examples. She bought a shirt and a book. You can write your paper with a pen or a pencil. I sent a letter but he didn't respond. She laughed and entered into the room. He sings songs because he wants to become a singer. You cannot succeed unless you work sincerely. So the underlined words are the conjunctions here. Now the types of conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions like and, nor, or so link equal parts of a sentence, be it words, phrases, or independent clauses. For example, he was late for school, so he took a shortcut. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions such as because, since, and after link a dependent clause to an independent clause. For example, because it was raining, we had to cancel the class picnic. Now there are some commonly used conjunctions. The conjunction and, where to use it? Use for the words or sentences that are taken jointly. For example, Ayush and Navneet study in the same class. Now with the conjunction but, used to show contrast in ideas. For example, Ravi is dull but Rohit is brilliant. Now with the conjunction or, used to indicate that only one possibility can be realized between the two. Example, complete your work or you will stay late in the office. The conjunction so, used to show results or consequences of an action. For example, I want to study French, so I joined French Academy. Now the conjunction because, used to show reason of an action. For example, because he always speaks truth. Now with the conjunction if, used to talk about result or effect of something that may happen or may not happen, or be true or may not be true. For example, I will help you if you lend me your card. Now the position of conjunctions. Some conjunctions if, because, and when can be placed at different positions within a sentence. For example, I was tired because I had run 5 miles in the morning. Because I had run 5 miles in the morning, I was tired. Now the next one. If they call to ask, I will answer the questions. I will answer the questions if they call to ask. So there is an easy way of remembering coordinating conjunction, that is fanboys. So F is for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for o, Y for yet, S for so. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.